Ta-da! This 20-minute recipe is two of our favourite recipes on taste.com.au, but made in half the time.
Absolutely, zucchini slice and frittata in one. Shall we start?
So, to reduce the moisture level of the zucchini, we've grated it and just given it a squeeze.
And by grating it, I did actually test this with sliced zucchini. I've tested it with all sorts of zucchini. And the grated zucchini cooks really, really quickly, which is the perfect for a 20-minute dinner.
Zucchini's ready to go. Spring onions ready to go. Now we're going to use feta, both the oil from the marinated feta and the marinated feta itself. Okay, so we're going to use some of the oil from the marinated feta in which to fry our frittata, yes? And you just want this moved around until it's...
Yeah, until it just softens slightly. Just give your eggs a little whisk. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Whisk that in.
So basically what we're doing is we're treating the frittata a bit like scrambled eggs. So we've let the base of the eggs cook. Now we're going to move the eggs round. So by doing this, we've already started to set the eggs for our frittata. Final scrape to clean the pan. Heat off. Chopped lots. And then our feta pushed down into the egg. Right, we're now going to put our frittata into the oven, 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Check at 5, might need 8.
Look at that.
There we go. Super quick frittata.
Look how puffy that is there. So delicious and puffy.
I'm going to make a dressing using some of the oil from the marinated feta, some of the herbs as well, lime juice, Dijon mustard, which will help emulsify everything, good grind of pepper, and a decent pinch of salt. Here's your big moment. Wait a sec, we could do this. We could do a big reveal.
Please
Hold that like that.
Yes, please do.
Right. Ta-da! Do you like that?
Yeah, no pressure.
I learned all about your tumble.
Yeah.
That looks really good, Michelle. Can we try it now?
Yep.
I love it. It looks so good, doesn't it?
It does.
Those chunks of feta are magnificent. Using the feta oil and the dressing, such a no-waste way of cooking. And look at that. That's like the most tender frittata you've ever seen.
That's really good. For this recipe and so many more 20-minute dinners, come to taste.com.au.